Hello students, so we are here again to continue with the sets topic which we were doing yesterday. Yesterday I gave you only some formulas, but today I will give you some shortcut formulas also. You can use them if you remember. If you don't remember, don't use it. Like if you see the first one, if a set has n elements, the power set has 2 power n elements. Like if in the set you have 1, 2, 3, then the power set means how many subsets? Power set is nothing but set of subsets. So how many subsets will be there? 2 power 3, because 1, 2, 3, 3 elements are there, 2 power 3, 8 subsets you will. The next one, the total number of subsets of a finite set containing n elements is 2 power n. The same thing. The power set has 2 power n elements, or the number of subsets is 2 power n. Both are one and the same formula. But if you want number of proper subsets, if it contains n elements, it is 2 power n minus 1. Yesterday I told you the subset 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, the subset 1, 2, 3 is not a proper subset because it is same as the original set. So if you subtract this one set, then the number of proper subsets, how many proper subsets will be there? Out of this 8, you have to subtract 1. So 7 proper subsets will be there. Like suppose if I give you A has AB, then how many proper subsets? Number of proper subsets, if they ask you, first you will take 2 power n, because here n is 2, 2 power n. But you have to subtract one equal set. That is the set having A, B equal 1, you have to subtract. So 4 minus 1, 3 proper subsets will be. Similarly, the number of non-empty subsets of A will also be 2 power n minus 1. That is because there will be one empty subset. This will be also subset of A, empty set. But here they are asking non-empty. So you are removing this empty. Only empty you are removing. You are not removing the equal one. So here also the same formula. If you want the number of non-empty subsets, same as you have removed the equal subset, like that if you remove non-empty, you will have 2 power 2 minus 1. The non-empty, empty one you are removing, non-empty subsets. Same formula, but meaning will be different. Number of elements in exactly 2 of the sets A, B, C. This formula I did not copy completely. Half of it is on other page. Just few more shortcut formulas, not many. Okay. So the number of elements in exactly 2 of the sets. Number of elements in A intersection B plus B intersection C plus C intersection A minus 3 into number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. This kind of problem where it will be applicable. Suppose if you will get one problem like this, number of people speaking English is 20. Number of people speaking Hindi is 30. And number of people speaking Kannada is 10. Number of people who speak English and Hindi both is given to you something like 20 only we will take. Number of people who speak Hindi and Kannada, suppose I will take 5. Number of people who speak Kannada and English, if I take 30, Kannada and English, I can't take 30. I have to take 10. And number of people who speak English, Hindi, Kannada, all the 3, I will take 5. Then they will ask you number of people who speak as per the formula exactly 2 of the 3 languages. Exactly 2 of the 3 languages. Exactly 2. Not all the 3. Exactly 2. So what you will do? You will take English and Hindi 20. Hindi and Kannada 5. Kannada and English 10. From this, you will subtract 3 into those who speak all the 3. 5. 25 plus 10, 35 minus 15. So 20 people will exactly speak 2 of the 3 languages. The actual meaning in set diagram is, suppose this is English, this is Hindi, and this is Kannada. So, as per the information, English and Hindi, 20 are there. This full thing is 20. Then, Hindi and Kannada, this full thing is 5. Next, Kannada and English, this full thing is Kannada and English 10, like this. And then finally, in the middle, all the 3, English, Hindi, Kannada, 5 people. So what we want is those who can speak exactly 2. Exactly 2 means only English and Kannada, only English and Hindi, only Hindi and Kannada, not the middle one. Not the middle one. Okay. So what we are doing when we are adding English and Hindi, I have taken this region one time. When I am adding Hindi and Kannada, I am adding this region second time. And when I am taking Kannada and English, I am adding this region third time. So after adding 3 times, I will subtract this common because I don't want 3 languages. I want exactly 2 languages. That is the meaning of this formula. If you go into deep. Okay, next. Number of elements in exactly one of the sets A, B, C. Number of elements in A plus B plus C minus 2 times A intersection B minus 2 times B intersection C minus 2 times A intersection C plus 3 times A intersection B intersection C. Same thing. If you take same example, number of people who speak English and Hindi, 20. Sagar, you want one more time explanation? Okay. So the previous one explanation, what I mean, Sagar wants it once again. So let us see the diagram. First, I will draw the diagram. In this, I will draw the sets. This is English set, who speak English. This is Hindi set, who speak Hindi. And this is Kannada set, who speak Kannada. English, Hindi, Kannada. Now what happens? What did I say? People who speak English and Hindi, both in this place, total 20 people are. That means these people speak only English and Hindi, but the left of people here, these people, of course, they speak English and Hindi, but along with that, they speak Kannada also. Okay. Did you understand? Suppose if you take this pink region, in the top region here, people speak only English and Hindi. But in the down region, in this region, they speak English, Hindi, and Kannada. 3 languages they speak. Okay. So now we will go to the next one. Next one, what I'm saying, if you take this region, how many people I said? 5 people. 5 people speak Hindi and Kannada. 5 people speak Hindi and Kannada. But if you take only this region, these people speak only Hindi and Kannada. That is because in this region, in this triangle region, people speak Hindi, Kannada, and English also. That is what you have to recognize first. Okay, now when you come to the third circle, here in this region, you will have total 10 people who speak English and Kannada. But if you take this above region, these people speak only English and Kannada, because in this triangle region, they speak English, Kannada, and Hindi also. Now, suppose in the question they will ask you, I want only English and Hindi, only Hindi and Kannada, only English and Kannada. People. Only 2 languages they should speak, not 3 languages. Then what you will do? When you will take this one first time, then second time, and then third time when you are adding English and Hindi, plus Hindi and Kannada, plus Kannada and English, when you are adding, this triangle region is added 3 times. First line, okay. First line, these 20 people speak English and Hindi. 20 people speak English and Hindi. But this above shaded region, this top shaded region, only Hindi, English. That is what I mean. There is a difference between English and Hindi and only English and Hindi. Because when I say English and Hindi, along with English and Hindi, they can speak some other language also. Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, anything they can speak. But when I say only English and Hindi, apart from English and Hindi, no other language. That is the difference. Okay. So when I'm adding English and Hindi, I will use a different color now. When I'm adding English and Hindi, when I'm adding Hindi and Kannada, when I'm adding Kannada and English, this triangle region is added 3 times and I don't want this triangle region at all. So that 3 times Hindi, English, Kannada, I'm subtract. Because I don't want 3 languages. I want only 2 languages. Only 2 languages. Only 2. Is this clear, Sagar? I'm subtracting this triangle region 3 times. Okay. The same concept I will explain you in another way also, another case, another formula. Let me show you. So suppose this is the English set, Hindi set, and Kannada set. English, Hindi, Kannada. So first I will take English and Hindi. This region, English and Hindi. Total 20. Okay. Then this region. Good afternoon, Kumar. If you see this region, it is Hindi and Kannada. How many? 5. Next. If you take this region, Kannada and English, total 10. Now suppose I will take the middle region. This middle region in the triangle part, English, Hindi, Kannada, all the 3. 5 people speak. That is what I have. Now coming to larger area. Suppose if I take this region, English speaking people. How many people speak English? Suppose 30 people speak. Here I am writing 30, full English circle 30. But out of this 30, 20 speak English and Hindi. And 10 speak Kannada and English. Remember that. Full English circle 30. Out of, okay, I'll take 35 to avoid confusion. I will take 30. Total English 35. But out of 30, 20 speak English as well as Hindi. Remember. And 10 speak English and Kannada. Okay, next. Suppose I will circle this one, color this one. Hindi circle. In Hindi circle, maybe 30 are there. Hindi people, 30 speaking Hindi. But out of this 30, 20 speak along with Hindi, English also. And 5 speak along with Hindi, Kannada also. Next. Now I will circle this one, Kannada. Now suppose Kannada speaking people are 25. But out of this 25, people speak Kannada and English. 10 people speak Kannada and English. And 5 people speak Kannada and Hindi. So what you will do? How will you know only Kannada? Only Kannada, how many speak? Or only English, how many speak? Or only Hindi, how many speak? If you want to know, what will you do? Think over. Only Hindi. What will you do? For example, this is Hindi circle. 30 are there. From 30, I will remove these 20 people. Because from 30, these 20 people speak English also. So now I have 10. Okay. From 10, I will remove these 5 people also. Why am I removing 5 people? Because along with Kannada, they speak Hindi also. But in this process, this triangle I have removed 2 times. So one time I will add. What is this triangle? 5. So one time I will. That means 10 people. 10 people speak only Hindi. 10 people. Like that, I will take English circle. Suppose this is English. In English circle, 35 people are. But out of this 35, 20 people speak Hindi also. So from 35, I will remove 20. Now 15 people. From 15, I will remove 10 also. Because they are speaking, along with English, they are speaking Kannada also. So I'll remove 10. So now I have 5. But this triangle I have removed twice. Only one time I have to remove triangle. Why I have to remove one time? Because in this triangle, people speak English, Hindi, Kannada, all the 3 they will speak. So I have to remove only one time, but I have removed 2 times. So I will add 1 time. This triangle is 5. So I will add 1 time. 5 people speak all the 3. So those also, all the 3, I'm removing only 1 time, not 2 times. Because I'm removing 2 times, I have taken 5 and added only 1 time. I have subtracted 5 2 times. So I have to subtract only 1 time. That is why I'm adding 5. Did you understand? So English, only 10 people are speaking. Only English, 10 people are speaking. Let me tell you again, I am subtracting this 5. I am removing 5 2 times. Like -5, -5. I should not subtract 2 times. I have to subtract only 1 time. So I will add 5. So that I will subtract only 1 time. That is why I am adding. Okay. Next, I will come to the third circle. Third circle is Kannada circle. Oh, color. Okay, I will take Kannada circle. In Kannada circle, total 25 people. But out of that, Kannada people, they speak Hindi also. So from 25, I will remove this Hindi speaking people. But then here, 10 people speak English also. So this 10 English speaking people, I am subtracting. Now what happened in this process? The triangle, that is 5 people, I have subtracted 2 times. These 5 people who speak all the 3, I have subtracted 2 times. So I will add 1 time. Then I will have 15 people only coming. So what I did here, if I want only English, suppose if someone will ask you, I want only one language speaking people, only one language speaking people, only one language speaking people. Then what I have to do? I have to take total English people, total Hindi people, total Kannada people. From that, I will subtract those who are speaking English and Hindi. I will subtract those who are speaking Hindi and Kannada. I will subtract people, those who are speaking Kannada and English. After that, as it is given in the formula, -2, this one, sorry. As it is given in the formula, -2A intersection C, -2B intersection C, -2A intersection B, and +3. Why it is happening like that? When I'm subtracting intersection H, this E intersection H I'm subtracting. And then I'm subtracting H intersection K. And then I'm subtracting K intersection E. From the English circle, this I have subtracted. And from the Hindi circle, I have subtracted this. And from the Kannada circle, I have subtracted this. So while subtracting, what happened? I have subtracted this region 3 times. This triangle region, I have subtracted 3 times. I have to subtract only 1 time. So I will add 2 times E intersection H intersection. This is the exact meaning of this formula. But in short, it is like this. The one which is given in this n of A plus n of B plus n of C, this is shortcut. But this which I've explained to you, only one language, this is the big way, long way. If you feel difficult to understand the shortcut formulas, it is not necessary to understand the shortcut formulas. Only thing here you remember is exactly one language we have to speak. Here exactly 2 languages we have to speak. That you keep it in mind and memorize the formula. Okay, last one. number of elements which belong to exactly one of A or B. That is n of A plus n of B minus 2 times intersection D. So instead of 3 languages, we have only 2 languages. In this 7th example, only 2 circles. A, B. Only A, only B. We are talking about only one language. So this is the form. So these are the shortcut formulas which you are learning today. Let's go to the next question. Yesterday, how many questions we did? I think we did 11 questions. As far as I remember. Okay. I'll put the questions from the 12th one. Who got the answers in the homework? They can type the answers. If you did not do the homework, now you can do, no problem. Try this. So Lohit got A as the answer for question number 12. Almost all are getting A as the answer. That is correct. Those who did not get A intersection B is common. What is common in both? Only Y is common in both, nothing else. And A intersection B dash means from X, you remove this Y. The Y which you got, you remove. So what is left? A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Z. And that is option. Okay, next, 13. Oh, Lohit already did 13, then got A. If Q is the set of rational numbers, P is the set of irrational numbers. Yes, rational numbers are separate sets. Irrational numbers are separate sets. Rational numbers are not irrational. Irrational numbers are not rational. Nothing common, no common in them. That's why the intersection will give you empty set. Soundarya got 13th as A. Or 14th one as A. But 14th is not A, Soundarya. Yes, Lohit, correct. 14th is C. The set of all prime numbers. If you sit and write prime numbers, it will continue, infinite. Okay, next, 15th you can try. Rajeshwari got A, but Lohit got B. 15th one. B is the correct answer. Yes, Soundarya, B is the correct answer. If two sets are disjoint means what? Nothing common. No common thing. That means again intersection will be empty set. Yes, Vidya and Kumar. B is the correct answer. Okay. I'll put the next question. Question number 16. Oh, very soon. Some are saying Vidya, Kumar, Rajeshwari. They said 16th answer is B. But 16th answer is not B. Sinchana is also saying B only. Why 16th answer you got B, all of you? Yes. If you have A intersection B union C, distributive property A cross B union A cross C. It's the same like intersection or union. Cross also same it has. Option A is correct. Next, 17. Okay, almost all of you are getting 17th answer as B. But why did you get 17th answer as B? I'm worried. Let us see. First, I have to take B union C. I'll write B 1, 3, 5, 7. And then C I will write 4, 6, 8, 9. But then I have to take A intersection with this B union C. That means common in A and B union C. What is common? 4 is common. Then 5 is common. Then 7 is common. 9 is not common. 8 is common. Yes. So 4, 5, 7, 8. This is A intersection B union C. But which of the options is correct? You can see each and every option. But instead of that, we have distributive property like thing for this. What is that? A intersection B union A intersection C. So you have to take option C. Yes, now you are saying correct, Kumar Vidya. Earlier, Kumar, you said B. Okay. You can go for 80. Yes, some of you are saying B, they are correct. But those who are saying C, they are not correct. Think over why D is correct. Why C is not correct. See, first of all, total universal set. Total 100 students are there. Then those who play cricket, C, 60 are there. Those who play volleyball, 50 are there. Those who play cricket and volleyball, 28 are. Now find the number of students who play at least one of the two games. What do you mean at least one of the two games? At least one. Give me at least one chocolate. That means give me one chocolate or two chocolate or three chocolates. But at least one chocolate I want. I don't want 0 chocolates. That is what it means. So at least one means what? Either only cricket or only volleyball or both cricket and volleyball. Both, two. That is what it means. So that means if I combine this diagram, what I mean is cricket or volleyball or both. So that means I want C union B. Full cricket circle, full volleyball circle, but I'm taking the middle one 2 times. One with cricket circle I'm taking, the other one with volleyball circle I'm taking this middle part. Why 2 times? So subtract 1 time. Intersection you subtract 1 time. So 60 plus 50 minus 28. 110 minus 28. 82. So D is the correct answer. No one got D as the answer. Correct answer, no one. Okay, you can try 90. Lohit, you got. Where? Yes. Lohit got. Sinchana got. Correct. It was on the top side. Next, 90. So many of you got 19th answer as C. And that is correct. Because I will erase this. I don't have space. 19th answer is C because, correct, because A means natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. Never ending. B is even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so on. Never ending. So when you take A intersection B common, it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, but it doesn't end here, it will continue. That is why not A, it has to be C. Next, question number 20. Many of you gave answer as A only. And that is correct. A minus B equal to 5. That means from A, if you subtract B, nothing you will get. There is set A. In this, there are many things. Out of these, if you subtract, if you remove B, nothing is there. What does that mean? A has to be subset of B. Proper subset of B. It can be equal also. A and B can be equal also. Suppose if A and B are equal, like if A is 1, 2, 3 and B is also 1, 2. Suppose from A, if you subtract all, what will happen? Nothing is there. Empty set. And it can be A's proper subset also. Why? Suppose A is 1, 2, 3 and B is 1, 2, 3, 4. If you subtract all the B, then A minus B, you are getting empty set again, here and here. So actually 2 cases will be possible. That's why in the options, they should have given A is subset of proper subset, equal. Both they should have included, because both are the correct answers. Yes, Kumar, it's correct. Okay, I'll put the next set of questions. Here. Rajeshwari, you did not do 21. Yes, it is printing mistake. But I will correct it. A intersection B is A. If there is a printing mistake, I have corrected 21. Yes, 21 is correct. A. Rajeshwari, you did correct. They are saying A intersection B is A. Then which answer will be correct? The common region in both A and B is A. Oh, you are saying option A. No, option A will not be correct. I'll tell you. Common in A and B is A. Suppose if you take B, oh, you are taking option A. Fine. Let me show you. There is a circle A. There is a circle B. This is A, this is B. What is the common region in both? Common in both is this one. So, if B is subset of A, then A intersection B will be B. But this is not given in the question. What is given? This is B circle. This is A circle. And The common in both the circles, this is the common. That means A intersection B is A. Then what do you see? A is the subset of B. So yes, option A is correct. I did not understand whether you are telling about this A or this A. So those who have given option A as the answer, it is correct. For 21, A is correct, Rajeshwar. Kumar, it is correct. Coming to 22. P is the set of even numbers, 2, 4, 6 containing. C is the set of odd numbers, 1, 3, 5 containing. B intersection C, the common in both, what it will be? Many of you have written D. Yes, it is correct. Because 0 is also counted as even only. 0 is also counted as odd. So 0 can be counted as even, odd. So 0 is actually nothing. That's why you have to take empty set, which is not given in the option. I agree. Options are not correct. This one should be, option A should be empty set. Nothing common in both of them. In B and C, nothing common, empty set. Okay, 23. Sets A and B. Number of members in set A 25, number of members in set B 20, and number of members in A union B 35. Number of members in A intersection B. So you have to take A union B equal to A plus B minus A intersection B. This you will write 35 equal to 25 plus 20 minus A intersection B. So in A intersection B, there will be 45 minus 35. That is 10. Option A. Yes, many. Vidya, Rajeshwari, Kumar, Lohit, all of you said the correct answer. Next, 24th. A and B are disjoint. Nothing common. So A intersection B will be empty set. 0. A intersection B will be 0. Nothing common. Then A union B will be equal to, in the formula, A union B, you will have N of A, N of B, minus A intersection B will be 0. So option C is correct for 24. Kumar, not D. C is correct. Okay. So I think we are done with this lesson. We don't have time for tomorrow continuing the same, but there are some more questions left off which we have to do. So those I am pasting. I don't remember how many I have pasted yesterday, but today I am pasting those which are left off. I think 5 questions are left off. These you can practice by yourself. I am putting those questions on the board. Next chapter is Introduction to 3D geometry. One more question is there up to 29. Practice all these by yourself. Here. And then see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Monday.